Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a very fun and interesting topic. This is going to be a classic love reading for all of you. This is going to be a reading where we're going to see what your person's, current energy state is, what are their internal emotions towards you, what are their perceptions towards you, and what are their next steps that they can take, right? So a very classic love reading. Don't overcomplicate it. It's not something to think too much about. Whoever is the person in your mind, so this could be no contact, crush, initial stage, minimal contact, situationship, whatever is your person in your mind, we are going to look at their energies, right? Before I go ahead, definitely do subscribe to my channel. Definitely like, save, share, and comment. Whatever you want to watch next, or if something resonates, let me know. I would love to, hear your thoughts about it. And definitely hype this video. And if you want to book a personal session with me, all the details are in the description below, and you can always book. So, right? So, without any further delay, let's just get into it. I have two piles in front of me as usual. So these are two piles. I forgot which pile. This is a Unakite, okay? And this is an Apatite, okay? Sorry, I don't know my crystals properly. Unakite and Apatite, pile number 1, pile number 2. Unique crystals again. Very interesting. I'll just keep this a little ahead. Be as intuitive as possible. Close your eyes. Zone in. Whatever feels called to you, you can choose one. Only one. If you feel called to both, then you can look at both the readings as well. So I think you guys have chosen. If you haven't, you can pause this video and take your time, okay? All right, let's get into it. All right, so if you've chosen this crystal, which is Unakite, the first pile number 1, then this is going to be your tarot reading, where we're going to see your person's, current state of mind, their energy levels currently, in love life, obviously, or otherwise also, what you need to know about them currently. And yeah, what are their emotional perceptions towards you, internal thoughts about you, and if there are any actions that has been taken by this person or any kind of movement forward. Again, this is not going to be a gender specific reading. He, she, they, them can be applied to anybody. Any kind of a relationship, there's no judgment zone. We're not judging what kind of a relationship you're having. This is completely free of judgment, so don't worry. We are not going to focus too much on that. We are going to focus purely on energies. So I have quite a few decks here in front of me, and I'm thinking which one to choose. So let me just decide that first. So right now, I think that since I'm feeling confused, I think you, pile number 1, people are also slightly confused. I think because you're confused now, either you're confused about the past or you're confused about the future. So you are like, you know what, let me live in the present. I think that is the zone you're in. Either you're confused about whatever the past discussions were with somebody, or you're confused about whether this past decision that you took, did it affect the other person in a bad way or in a good way. So you're just like confused ki yaar maine jo past decisions liye hain, have they actually turned out to be good? Question mark. You have no idea, you have no answers. Also, the confusion or doubt about the future as well, ki yaar, wherever I'm headed, is this the right position that I'm supposed to go? Is this something that is in my destiny? Is this something that is meant for me? Question mark. So what you're deciding is what kind of zone you're in. Pile number 1, people, this is for you, that you're like, yaar, let everything be. I have no answers to give, so let me just focus on every day. So you're perhaps living in the moment. You're kind of taking one day at a time, and that is maybe an advice to you as well. If you're seeing yourself feeling very frantic, feeling very confused, chaotic, then live in the present moment. Do what you have to do, and don't ask too many questions, and don't put burden too much on your head, right? Anyway, life is hard. Anyway, there are so many things that you have to look into in the moment. Right now only there are so many things that are happening. Ab aap past ka bhi boj leke chaloge, future ka bhi boj leke chaloge, it doesn't make any sense, right? So maybe some of you you're in that zone, okay? Some of you are seeing a lot of changes happening in the present moment for you as well. In the present moment, you're seeing quite a few shifts. Body changes are coming in. You're seeing hormone changes as well, right? I feel like some of you are feeling very hot internally, bodily. मतलब अंदर से गर्मी आ रही है, तो you'll see stomach issues, internal lining issues, ulcers issues, acidity. ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं भाई, and also bloating. Okay, so some of you are having bloating issues as well. Some of you are also having gut problems. I'm not going to dig too deep into it. Please समझ जाओ जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. Gut problems ही हो रही हैं. Get it checked, okay? If you are wearing orange, brown, yellow, mustard, and if you're having like in your outfit, if you're having like polka dots, patches, like some kind of color patches, multiple colors hai, so this is going to be your tarot reading. Again, these are just additional information, extra information. अगर आपने ये pile choose करा है, तो ये भी make sense करेगा. Don't worry, okay? Okay, so somebody has recently started wearing a ring. I don't know why I'm getting an energy. Somebody has recently started to wear a ring. So that could be your energy as well. So let's start with your person's current energetic state. So let's look at this deck. So what are your person's current energetic state? So what I would request you guys to do is to just chant this person's name in your mind, not out loud, in your mind, कि बस इन person का नाम लो, okay, so that I can connect with your energies better. Sorry, okay. Current energetic state for pile number 1. नाम लिया है तब कार्ड्स उड़े हैं. 2-3 things are coming to me. I'm going to say it out loud. जो apply होगा, okay? There are certain places where your partner currently, in the current state, has been rejected from something very badly. Either career में reject हुए हैं या आपसे खुद reject हुए हैं. या maybe you have given them a kind of a ultimatum कि listen, you either be with me or you don't be with me, and there's a hint of a hint of, from your side, a hint of no, like there's a hint of taking a step back, or there's a hint of you're not liking their energies anymore, and there's a hint of you protecting yourself, right? Or you're protecting your boundary, or you're creating a boundary of sorts. So the person's current energy state is that this person is dealing with some kind of a rejection, which is sort of a blessing in disguise, which is sort of a way in which the universe is protecting them, the person that you like, or the person in your mind, and it is going to turn out to be a success story for them. Point is that kahin na kahin se inko koi rejection mili hai. This could very well be being rejected with their career, with their personal life, in their finances, from their family, and that is somewhere a good thing, because maybe that thing that they are wanting for a very long time was not very good for them, was not something that they were meant for, or that was not something that they were deserving. So even for that matter, if you have rejected this person, if you have said that no, I'm not interested in you, you are keeping me under the dark, you're not giving me clarity, you're not committing to me, you're giving me mixed signals, you're breadcrumbing me, or whatever, XYZ जो भी है, yeah, you're not being as involved as you used to be before. पहले तो बहुत प्यार होता था, अब बिल्कुल ही पता नहीं कहाँ चले गया है. Now you don't care about me. All of these things that you're telling them is that they are feeling it. They are feeling rejected. They feel like, okay, yaar, I've not been good. But for this relationship, it's a blessing in disguise. Why? Because unless you haven't rejected them, this person will not realize that they are at fault. This person will not realize that their actions, or their non-actions are actually ruining this relationship. So you holding your stance, and you holding your stand, and you holding your opinion by rejecting them is a blessing in disguise for this relationship, so that this person who you like, or you admire, who you love, will be able to realize that they have to do better. You're understanding me? So this person's current energies, baat kare current energies ki, so this person is sort of rejected, but also in a space where this person does feel a sense of protection. This person does feel a sense of, okay, this rejection has happened, but it's not really like they are not completely ruined. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अगर उनको रिजेक्ट करा, से सपोज आपने उनको रिजेक्ट करा, तो वो एकदम ही मतलब देवदास की तरह नहीं बैठे हुए हैं. They are not like going completely crazy and completely bollocks after the fact that, oh my god, you have rejected them. They're taking it at a time. It's not like they're very very happy also, but वो reject तो हुए, तो उसका एक धक्का लगा है. But this is the kind of a person जो थोड़े ढीठ भी है. I would say that this person is a little ढीठ and a little egoistic. So this person will be like, यार, I have been rejected, चलो उसका ही loss है. This also energy I'm getting कि यार, this person is saying कि you are rejecting me, it's okay, you are at loss, right? Also, when I look at the cards, these are such heavy on orange energies. I am getting an energy of a relationship that was heavy in, like, there was more physicality than emotions, and I feel like this was a casual relationship from a lens of being much more physical and not emotional. So this was like maybe a friends with benefits or something of that sort. And what I'm getting to is that you were expecting maybe more from this relationship, and this person was not. This could be male, female, anybody, anything, right? And this person was not, and you definitely started feeling disconnected in this relationship. आपको एक sense of disconnection feel हो रहा था, क्योंकि आपको realize हो रहा था कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, what is it that I am involving myself in? This is not something that is giving me happiness, and this is something that I am in just so that I can be chosen, just so that the other person can make me feel safe, but it's not in the correct terms and conditions that I want. So somewhere I'm getting an energy with this relationship, whatever it is, and the current energies was heavily into the idea of sensuality, heavily into the idea of physical things, no strings attached, not like exclusively, but being with each other, but not like, it's like the thing, right? Typical thing where you are doing everything together, but there is no boyfriend girlfriend tag or husband wife tag, whatever it could be, right? So that is what I'm getting in the current energy. So current energies में आपके like partner थोड़े reject हुए हैं. And somewhere this person is also sort of like not caring about it. I will be honest, ज़्यादा उनको फर्क पड़ नहीं रहा है, थोड़े ढीठ से हैं ये, ठीक है? What is happening else apart from that? I feel like I feel okay. This is what is happening. I feel like you have kind of sort of made up your mind that you want to begin again. This. You're watching this video, but there's always already been a conversation in your mind. Ki, I don't want to get into this relationship, or I don't want to talk to him again, or her again. Or talk to them again. Point is that you're feeling very hurt. आपको hurt feel हुआ है with regard to this person, and this person has really upset you, right? Really upset you, and this person has upset you, and they have said something to you, or why have they upset you? Let's just check that. You feel upset with this person, okay? And you have already made up your mind, like you are not wanting to reinitiate this relationship. You're like, what? Let me restart and let me start from scratch. Let me get back into the dating pool and let me see what it is. अब मेरे को ये इस चीज को ना खींचना नहीं है. So definitely there's a feeling of being upset. Okay, you are upset with this person, mostly because this person has done only and only what they want. आपको एकदम ही मतलब this person has treated you like a puppet. This person has controlled everything in this relationship, the person in your mind, and there has been a lot of like sudden flip energies of this person. One fine day they are completely fine, the next day they are completely like ghosting you, not talking to you, completely detaching themselves from you, giving you no time to process things. Maybe this person themselves has said that, listen, I can't be with you anymore and I'm going to take a step back. And you're just like, what? How did this happen? Suddenly, you could also be undergoing a breakup, which was very sudden. And you realize that this breakup that happened was more than anything, it was a shock that was coming. Like you were so shocked with the kind of timing it came in, right? 2 दिन पहले, 3 दिन पहले, everything was fine, and suddenly you're not wanting to be with me anymore. Or just in general, what you're upset about is how this relationship was going and how you were being treated, because you were not being treated in a dignified way at all. You were being treated like a puppet. You were being treated like a person who has no, मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि एक रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दी आपको कि यार ठीक है, this person I've been with in whatever context possible or whatever kind of a zone possible, and there has not been any kind of a empathy given to you, right? I also feel like this person's energies now, if this is a crush or something like that, this person knows that you have a crush, okay, on them. So if you are having a crush on somebody, this person knows that you have a crush, and they try to manipulate circumstances in which you are accidentally meeting them or accidentally seeing them, but they put themselves in that position. For example, अगर आपका ये crush college में है and आप देखते हो यार हर दिन मेरे को कॉरिडोर में दिखता है, वो आते हैं इसलिए आपको दिखता है. This person knows that you have a crush and they like to be seen by you. Okay, for example, if you are in an office environment and this person is like going around, this person purposely will choose that specific time break where you are also free and this person is also trying to be free, and this person in that break only will try to be around you or try to show their faces around you. Point is that this person knows this person is a puppet. आपको लग रहा है कि आप ये relationship में आपका हाथ आगे है, नहीं, इस person का आपका उनका हाथ आगे है, and they are trying to ensure that the relationship goes according to their whims and fancies, according to their timeline, and best believe that this person is somewhere going to be very, very very immature about this relationship. This person is not going to think too much, and maybe this has happened already and you're feeling very upset about it. You're not feeling upset about this person deciding ki, okay, I don't want to entertain this relationship, or you're not upset about this relationship not working out because maybe you only have said ki, okay, I don't want to entertain this relationship. Point is the way it happened, and the way it happened is something that really, really hurt you, almost on a level where you're like, you know what, it's okay, I don't want to get back into this because it has really, really been so toxic for me. I just want my closure. I think that is why you're watching this video, कि मुझे closure मिल जाए, मुझे समझ में आ जाए इस बंदे के बारे में चल क्या रहा है, माइंड में चल क्या रहा है, इस बंदे के जहन में चल क्या रहा है, and set me free. Like that is what I'm getting. Like ultimately the idea of reconciliation and wanting to get back is not something that even you are very keen in or you are very interested in. Point is that you just want to be able to get the answers that you couldn't get from this person because this person did not have the brain cells or did not have the empathy or even have the basic decency to give you the answers, right? So before you restart going into the dating phase, or before you restart looking at a probable prospect for you, you're just wanting to get your answers back, right? People who are wanting to marriage prospects may, there was this person that was perhaps a good prospect, but this person had external people manipulating that guy or girl. Okay, so say suppose you are seeing somebody for marriage their parents or their family members were literally manipulating this entire dynamic. पूरे dynamic को इतना manipulate करके रखा था कि you were like यार हमारी बीच में अच्छा chemistry हो ना हो, I will not be able to be in this marriage because there are so many people involved and you can't take a stand. You are not able to say anything. You are not able to control their mouths. So why should I come into your family, or why should I entertain it? So you were the one who like said like yeah, I'm going to take a step back because there were so many involvements of external people. This is only for people who are looking at marriage prospects, huh? This is because I'm getting it intuitively. So marriage prospects में there were so many people हाथ डाल रहे थे, नहीं हमारे यहाँ पे ये होगा, and there were some very weird things that were happening in that marriage prospects where suddenly some or the other bad news was coming in, right? Suddenly something was not going your way, suddenly somebody is having health issues, suddenly something is being stolen, and you're just not getting a good vibe. Although maybe you and your partner or the person that you were about to get married to, you both were maybe compatible, but there were certain external circumstances that were just not fitting it, and that's why you kind of withdrew, right? So again, like this, there has been a lot of upset energy within you that you are not able to really fully express to this person, and you want to tell them that listen, you have hurt me, and there is a sense of disappointment that you have, and that's why you're wanting to kind of get that kind of energy out. You want the other person to kind of just come to you and at least apologize or just make things clear so that you can move on. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you're desperately wanting कि हाँ एक कॉल कराओ मैं वापस आ जाऊंगी या आ जाऊंगा, anything, right? Point is that even if there is a need for you to come back with this person, even if there is an intention, you want to get answers first. आपको अपने answers clear करने, only then will you think कि भाई should I come back, should I not come back? That's the zone that you're in. Okay, now let's see. Ouch. Okay, let's see more. Okay, let's see what are the internal emotions. Okay, internal emotions. Let's see. Pile number 1. Internal emotions towards you, perceptions. Okay, what do they think about you? Right? Mix. What are the current energies? भी देख सकते हैं. Mix. Okay. Gossip. मैंने क्या कहा था? Rebound. Scary. भाई साहब. Okay, now I'm getting an understanding that this person now is not for you. Okay, there is some kind of how do I say it? There are some kind of multiple energies that I can see in this relationship. Multiple people's involvements I can see in this relationship. I'm getting a feeling where this person is not taking that rejection very, very well. Or, for example, if you have distanced yourself from this relationship, this person is not taking well. This person is not taking that distance very well. Say suppose you have purposely decided कि यार मैं इसके साथ ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी. This person is not giving me what I want or is not committing to me. I'll only take a step back. This person is not liking it. This person is actually gossiping about you. Like I'm getting an energy where this person is talking about you to other people. This person is knowing that okay, you have distanced yourself from it and maybe is bad mouthing you as well. Okay. This could very well be like if you've recently broken up, okay, X situation hai, recently broken up, this person is actively trying to date somebody, okay, who is a direct competition to you. I don't know if that makes any sense. Let me know, okay, timestamp kar go aur meko batao if this makes any sense. You have a equal like competition or somebody that is like competitive with you, aapko nahi farak padta hai, but a direct competition hai, somebody who's jealous of you, somebody who talks behind your back, somebody who's your enemy, your ex-partner is going and dating them as a rebound, okay, just to bring you down. You know what is happening? I'm seeing in your current relationship, in your current energies, proper signs of taking revenge. Your partner is trying to take revenge from you now. I don't know why. Say suppose you've not done anything wrong. Say suppose you are just wanting to be in this relationship, you are craving this relationship, and you are just like, you know what, मैंने तो उसको reject भी नहीं करा है, मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं करा है, मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि ये मेरे life में आए, या मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरे life में आए. What is happening is that this person has had a very, very, like in the current energies, is in a very negative energetic state. Okay, this person is not in the state of wanting to be in a relationship. This person is being very gossipy. This person is not being wanting to be serious. This person is actually looking at the next person as a rebound. Maybe this person has had a recent really bad relationship and is not wanting to be in anything serious, is not wanting to be in anything that is actually serving for the higher good. And I do believe that this person now is like, I don't know why I'm getting this energy where this person, if they know that you like them, if they know that you like them, they are want to compete for your attention. Okay, it's so weird because say suppose like this is for those people who have not really done anything wrong, or you have not rejected them. You are wanting this person in your life, you're craving this relationship, you are like okay when will this person come back into my life, ऐसी अगर एनर्जी में हो आप, तो आपके पार्टनर ना आपकी अटेंशन ग्रैब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. दिस पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू कम्पीट फॉर योर अटेंशन. मे बी दिस पर्सन इज नॉट वांटिंग यू टू गो अवे. मे बी दिस पर्सन इज वांटिंग यू टू जस्ट बी देयर इनफ फॉर मी टू होल्ड, फॉर हिम टू और हर टू होल्ड ऑन टू यू, राइट? बट अगेन be very careful because this person is not really in the right energetic space. देखो क्या होता है ना कि if you're wanting to date somebody, you also have to work a little bit on who you are as a person, right? If you are a person who is gossiping, if you're a person actively who's trying to bad mouth somebody, back bitching about somebody, it's a very negative energy. Like it's देखो थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ इसके बारे में बात करना उसके बारे में चलता है, you are a human being. लेकिन actively trying to be vengeful against somebody, actively trying to demean somebody and rumor milling अगर होती है ना, whether it is by a boy or by a girl, it is actually bringing some negativity in the relationship also. So my when I look at the cards now, I feel like this person is not cut to being a good partner. Okay, because this person is in itself such this person is not very is not having a clean energies, right? This person has those kind of voids. This person needs a lot of like healing. इनको healing की जरूरत है बहुत ही. There's a sense of restraint that this person carries, a sense of बोलते हैं ना एक dirty energy है इनके life में, which is actually going to be very impure energies is what this person is carrying, right? It's like, I will say this, okay? It's like this person is, even if they like you, okay, even if this person is interested in you, they will want you to help them get over some pain. Okay, this is also what I'm getting. Like, I remember I told you somebody is getting rejected, like somebody, like your partner is getting rejected. So say suppose what I'm getting is, like this person has either gotten rejected very badly from their ex, from the person that they used to love, or from the person that they had a huge crush on, and maybe you are just a friend or whatever की time pass चलो जो भी है, उधर ब्रेकअप हुआ है, वो आपके साथ ज्यादा क्लोज आएंगे, वो आपके साथ ज्यादा ग्लू लुलू करेंगे, बट इट विल बी लाइक यू आर अ रिबाउंड. दे विल यूज यू to get out of the pain of their past relationship. That is what is happening. So say suppose maybe you are not rejected this person, maybe you have been there for this person, maybe this person has been rejected from a friend, from a family, from career, job में है, या actually been rejected properly by their person that they were dating earlier, and maybe you had a crush on this person since this person was dating. And now this person is single, but is not cut to being in a good relationship, because this could very well be that this person is bad mouthing that lady or that girl, or the girl is bad mouthing the bad boy, the boy. And what is happening is that this person that you like is using you to make themselves feel better about themselves. Okay, so they don't love you. They are just using whoever comes in their life to just help them get rid of the pain that they're having, that they're carrying. Okay. I feel like multiple people like this, like the person that you like. Okay, this could also be thing. Like multiple people are eyeing on the person that you like. Okay. There's also very, very big energy that I'm getting where there are some negative talks that are happening about you to your partner, to the person that you like, to the person who you are thinking about. Okay. Somebody is really brainwashing your person against you. Okay. And there is this kind of a weird energy where they are believing it. Okay, they are believing in the fact that maybe they are right. Maybe this person is having that. What is this gossip about? Let's just check that immediately. So what is this gossip about? What is this gossip about that is happening about you? Pile number 1, people, about you. What is this gossip about? It's about some kind of a social gathering. कुछ social gathering में ऐसे situation आई थी. The gossip is like something has happened. Maybe you were in a social gathering, you were at a convention where multiple people were there, okay? And you did something which was quote unquote very weird. Okay, quote unquote very weird. Okay, maybe it was not weird for you, or maybe it was not weird for anybody, but it was weird. And एक ऐसा incident हुआ है अभी नहीं तो 1-2-3 महीने पहले या 4 महीने पहले, 6 महीने पहले, जहाँ पे you were in a social gathering. Either you said something or you did something that was a little weird, that was something embarrassing, which is being talked about behind your back. Okay? Or there is a proper gossip that is happening, that this person, like you, okay, you are very how do I say it, you are a person who's confused. Like ऐसा लगता है, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है कि you, like the gossip that is happening about you is that you try to get with people when you yourself are confused, or you try to get with people for your own personal benefit, something of that sort I'm getting. Like you're not ready for a relationship. क्या बात, गॉसिप क्या हो रही है कि गॉसिप क्या हो रही है कि यार देख इसके पास तो रिलेशनशिप के वो है नहीं, बट दिस पर्सन इज आफ्टर दिस पर्सन, बट ही और शी इज नॉट रेडी फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप. ऐसे भी हो सकता है. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. ओके, आई एम नॉट श्योर. ऐसी मेरे को ऐसे इंट्यूशन आ रहा है. व्हाट एल्स, गॉसिप क्या हो रही है यार? लेट गिव मी दिस. ओके, गॉसिप, व्हाट इज द गॉसिप? Like the gossip could also be that you are very different, you are not, you don't fit in a crowd, right? Your aspirations, your likes, your dislikes are very different, and maybe that is what the gossiping is happening कि यार this person is not even your type, you know. ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि यार ये तो बिल्कुल आपकी टाइप की नहीं है, why are you still liking somebody? There could also be like a gossip about your financial stature. Ki this person is not that well to do, or this person is not even that smart, or this person is not even like having good goals, this person is not even ambitious. कुछ ऐसी भी बात हो सकती है कि आपके personality and आपके outlook and where your, sorry to say but what your background is, उसके भी बारे में बात हो रही है. Gossiping, very very badly gossiped. Gossiping ऐसी हो रही है. Looks के बारे में भी gossip हो सकती है. Again, I'm not saying that you are anywhere bad looking, but anybody who has a negative thing to say will find something negative only, right? You can never please anybody. Ooh. Somebody is also gossiping about ये कितनी मोटी हो गई है, या कितना मोटा हो गया है, या कितना पतला हो गया है. Some body के बारे में भी बातें हो रही हैं आपके कि oh my god, why would you date this person? This person is absolutely not a type. This person is so thin, or this person is so fat. Like who the hell are you to talk about anybody's body? But they are talking, right? So gossip ऐसी हो रही है to your person in your mind, where somebody is literally saying the most horrible things about you to the other person. The worst kind of, you know, things कि यार this person, हाँ, somewhere 7 of cups 8 of cups combination, emotional manipulation. यार ये तो तुम्हें emotional manipulate करेगी. This person will घुमाओ you in your fingers, on her fingers or his fingers. Be very careful. This person is manipulative. This person has had a very bad past. Something of that sort is happening. Okay, so gossiping हो रही है with regards to your character with your partner, with your person. Okay, who is this person who's gossiping about you? कौन है ये महानस्ती? Gossiping. Okay, 1 second. करियर में कोई है, करियर और स्कूल और कॉलेज और somebody in the professional field, somebody is bad bitching about you. Okay, professional field is what I'm getting. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Professional field में कोई आपके बारे में बुरा आपके पार्टनर से बात करे. So again, say suppose you are a person who's working in a 9 to 5 or in a this thing. So somebody in your colleagues is brainwashing your partner or the person that you like. Or if you are in a college, somebody in your college premises, or if you're in a school premises, जो भी है, अगर आप कोई भी professional circle में, तो वहाँ पे somebody is bad mouthing you very very badly. Now, what else is happening? Okay, what else is happening? Let's see. Okay, what are their internal thoughts about you? So again, like I don't think that this person is very keen in dating you actually, or being with you, honestly speaking, because this person is having a lot of things that are going on in their mind. What I'm getting to is that this person is not in that zone only. This person is in a very impure zone, and that's why he's not thinking in that direction. Okay, let's see more what else is happening in this dynamic. Pile number one, what else is happening? मैंने क्या बोला था? They want somebody to fix them, not my type. ये बातें हो रही है आपके बारे में कि यार this person is not even your type. Why would you date this person? Blah 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 blah. Right? What I think is happening is that in this relationship or in this dynamic between you and your partner is wanting you to fix them. Your partner is wanting you to make them feel the way they used to feel before. Okay, or make them feel their true self. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा है कि आपकी energies suck in करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and they are trying to see themselves in a better light. Okay, that is the first thing. The second thing is that this person is drawn to you, okay, very very strongly, even though you're not conventionally their type. You are not a person that they have dated in the past or that they like or they will find attractive, but they get drawn to you. एक ऐसी energy है जो connect, and by the way vice versa, even you don't feel that this person is your type, the person in your mind is not exactly your type, but एक attraction है, पता नहीं क्यों, maybe आपका type है but maybe in different ways, not 100 सारे ही marks tick हो रहे हैं, सारी checklist tick हो रही है. Some aspect में maybe this person is your type but not in all aspects, but there's still some kind of a connection, there's still some kind of an energy that is being pulled in this relationship. तो कोई ना कोई है एक feeling of connection, एक connected energy है यहाँ पे. I feel like you've been waiting for this person for too long, hangman energy, like you've been hanging on for this person for such a long time. It's just like you're so fed up. I also feel like this person na would always would always be very maybe with you. कि अच्छा हाँ देखते हैं, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. लाइक दिस पर्सन विल नेवर एवर गिव यू लाइक एन एक्सट्रीम आंसर कि येस आई वांट टू बी विद यू और नो आई डोंट वांट टू बी विद यू. जस्ट स्टक इन अ लिम्बो. यहाँ भी करना है, यहाँ पे भी करना है, बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्ल्ड्स. यहाँ पे भी पैर, यहाँ पे भी पैर. आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो भाई, आपको डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. पॉइंट इज दैट दिस पर्सन दैट यू लाइक or this person in your mind, whatever, is tied to their circumstances. This person is tied to their circumstances where neither they can completely stay behind, neither they can come out. So they are in the middle. मतलब आप पानी में, like this person पानी है, ठीक है, पानी है ना, ये डूब रहे हैं ना ये निकल रहे हैं, तो ये ऊपर ही stay afloat, ऐसा वाला एनर्जी है कि they are just almost staying afloat, kind of an energy. Now what they are wanting is, they are wanting you. Okay, I'm giving an analogy. Okay, this person is in a water. Okay, neither are they getting dragged down, neither they are coming up. What they are wanting you to do is, you remove your life jacket, give them the life jacket, and you be in the water. How is it going to be possible? So this person is actually expecting you to completely contribute and dedicate and devote your love and affection, whatever, to this person, while they are not going to even take any step forward. They are just going to be in the receiving energy. So point ye hai, let me see your energies actually. If I'm correct, then I will be correct. Your energies and their energies. The world. भाई मेरे साथ रीडिंग बुक करो अभी. I'm so accurate sometimes. You are wanting to give the world to the other person, and this person is hanging on कि आप अपना दुनिया नौछावर कर दोगे इस person के लिए. And here's the thing, whatever that rejection thing I told you about, कि you are rejecting this person, yet you still will take care of them. Yet I know you ना, I know that you will still, कोई प्रॉब्लम आई, कोई सिचुएशन आया, आप दौड़े चले आओगे कि यार okay, I'm not interested in this person, but ठीक है, for the good of my, like, because of your dignity and because of the fact that you had a soft corner, you will take that one step forward. आप दुनिया की इधर उधर कर सकते हो for this person, but this person can't even take a damn decision. This person is always in a zone of, yeah, maybe, I don't know, I'll wait it out, constantly in a pause mode, right? This person is not able to even take simple like decisions when it comes to this relationship or with the dynamics that you have. Now see, suppose you're in a no contact, okay, you are ready to change your life, you're ready to make everything fine, you're ready to wear different clothes for this person, you're ready to learn more about this person's interests, you are very keen in the idea of adopting this person's likes, dislikes, pet peeves. You're okay with being able to turn yourself into the person that they like. Them on the other hand are like, what, if I am weird, let me be weird. I am not going to be changing myself for anybody. अगर मैं different हूँ तो मैं different हूँ. मतलब आप देख रहे हो एक stubborn energy ज़्यादा दिख रही है यहाँ पे कि one person is more stubborn and the other person is ready to adapt themselves in any shape or form. And the world has fixed signs in it. You are a person who's वैसे very stubborn when it comes to other things in life, but when it comes to love ना, you change yourself completely. You're okay with changing yourself. Otherwise you're very stoic, you're very like righteous कि भाई मैं ऐसी हूँ तो मैं ऐसी हूँ, या मैं ऐसा हूँ तो ऐसा हूँ. Relationship में आप एकदम ही ठीक है, no problem, I'll be like, that is what happens, right? So it's so interesting because an energy of the hanged man which is suspended is becoming so stickler about things, and the world card which has those fixed energies is for you, is ready to adapt in any given way possible. आप यहाँ पे भी जा सकते हो, वहाँ पे भी जा सकते हो. Like this is you, right? You can take a step here. You can literally step out of your comfort zone because you are wanting to be with this guy or girl or whoever this person is. So no contact people, आप समझ रहे हो आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है? आपके साथ एक ऐसा व्यवहार हो रहा है जहाँ पे आपसे सब कुछ लिया जा रहा है, बट मूवमेंट यहाँ पे इतनी कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग दिख नहीं रही है मुझे, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, राइट? आई विल, ओके, लेट मी जस्ट कंफर्म दिस. I feel like this person is a work in progress. So it's almost like you are thinking कि यार I can see the potential. Like you will think यार potential तो है, but time लग रहा है. This is literally like, can you see this card? Like there is like वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस एनर्जी की हाँ ये अच्छा हो सकता है, इसकी एम्बिशन जो है वो मुझे दिख रही है, लेकिन अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है कॉन्क्रीट. सो यू आर सीइंग दैट देयर इज लाइक समटाइम्स यू सी दैट दिस पर्सन हैज दोज phases, where this person will be very emotional, very very dedicated, very very emotionally attached, blah 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 blah. But it's just a fleeting moment. फ्लीटिंग मोमेंट में वो एनर्जी आएगी और वहीं उसके बाद ही चली जाएगी. तो कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि यार शायद कुछ हो सकता है इस रिलेशनशिप में, शायद समथिंग कैन ग्रो, शायद समथिंग कैन टर्न आउट टू बी समथिंग दैट इज फॉर द बेटर ऑफ दिस रिलेशनशिप. Sometimes it is just not working, right? So yeah, that is what I'm seeing. What else? Let's look at this. Okay, although this is not a right deck to use, but चलो ठीक है, कोई देख लेते का इन्फॉर्मेशन निकल रही है कि नहीं. This person has had an absent father. I'm getting an energy. This person has an absent father, and this person is right now not in the zone to date. Sorry, but I've gotten hermit card too many times here. Hermit card की energy बहुत strong आ रही है. कहाँ गया hermit? यहीं पे तो था hermit. Okay, I'm not able to find the hermit energy. Point is that there is a sense of like this person na is withdrawing from relationships right now, like is not in the zone of a committed relationship at all. This person is wanting to support their family or something of that sort. मुझे आ रहा है, या ये आपको ना एक्सप्लेनेशन एक्सक्यूज दिया होगा कि यार अभी मेरी फैमिली इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी मुझे बहुत काम करना है एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम रेडी फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप. ये सारा आपको एक्सक्यूजेस भी दिए होंगे, विच इज सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रू. ओके, विच इज सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रू. सो इफ यू आर आस्किंग मी, इफ योर क्वेश्चन इज कि दिस पर्सन इज जेन्युइन अबाउट दिस पर्सन हिज और हर प्रॉब्लम्स इन हिज लाइफ और हर लाइफ, आई विल से yes, this person is focusing on their personal life more intently than any relationship possible right now. Okay, so what's next, right? What can you expect in this relationship? What is next? Let's see. What can you expect next in this dynamic? I don't think that anything strong is coming out of this relationship from a relationship standpoint. मुझे लगता है कि situation थोड़ी tense ही होगी around you, around this relationship. Things will be very strained. Things will be very up and down. There will be a lot of places where you will feel very negative in this relationship. You'll feel very negative. And as I told you, like you've taken a step back. You've got, like literally you have gotten yourself out of this situation. And I think that will stay. That will remain. I don't necessarily see that there's any kind of a respite coming in romantically. मुझे लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं there are certain negative forces at play that are beyond your control and that is creating this situation even worse. मुझे लग सकता है कि this person can betray you also very badly. Okay, this person, see, I'll be honest, जैसे रीडिंग आ रही है वैसे मैं बताऊंगी, मैंने कोई पर्पसली ऐसे कुछ कार्ड्स निकाले नहीं है, बट इफ आई एम सीइंग समथिंग लाइक अ पैटर्न देन आई हैव टू टेल यू एंड आई हैव टू वार्न यू. सो दिस इज अ वार्निंग ऑल्सो दैट देयर आर सम impending dooms that is coming to you. You have to be slightly careful about the next 3 months, I would say, because there is something that can happen which can actually be like a negative energy, but you'll be protected. Like you will be protected. कोई इतना बड़ा सिचुएशन आ सकता है जहाँ पे यू आर लाइक, oh my god, this is going to be so detrimental for my image, for my reputation. So there are so many things that are going wrong in this relationship that you will just be like, you know what, this is not something that you want to that you want to have in your life. Allegations, bhai, I'm telling you something about your reputation, something like a false allegation, that is going to happen. Somebody like your person can say that, oh, why did you do this, why did you say this, some kind of a kataksh, ungli uthana, somebody literally putting a finger at you that you did this kind of an energy, but you will be protected. I don't think that your confidence will deter at all. Yeah, I do feel like expectations will disappoint you. कोई expectations रखो मत इस relationship में अभी के लिए तो, because it will disappoint you. It's not going to be in the way that you are expecting it to. But don't think about it. I don't think that this is having any kind of a very excessive energy. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे ना the kind of difficulties that are there, that is too excessive that you cannot manage by yourself. The other person is completely detached from this relationship. Patterns will become obvious to you. देखो कहीं ना कहीं your own blindfold will come off as well. What are the next steps? Okay, what is next happening in the relationship is that your partner will not be able to trust you fully, will put an allegation on you, will say some things that will be very, very off balance. There will be an external energy that will create even much worse of a situation for you. External involvement बहुत ही बुरा होने वाला है. This person will act out so badly that you will be like, यार मुझे को तेरा पैटर्न पता था, मुझे पता था कि तुम ऐसी हरकतें करोगे, मुझे पता था कि मेरे को ना एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखनी नहीं चाहिए थी क्योंकि तुमने मुझे बहुत बुरी तरह से डिसअपॉइंट करा है. You have literally and there is a sense of realization that you're going to have कि you know what, I'm glad that I'm not in this relationship. I'm glad that ये ज़्यादा टिक नहीं रहा है क्योंकि you are actually making me feel ashamed of wanting to be with you. ऐसी भी energies मुझे दिख रही हैं. Okay, time to get out of the situation. देखो, cards don't lie. If one thing is being repeated over and over again, so I have to tell you that somewhere this is not the one for you. This person is not the one for you. This person is not really supposed to be a person that you should be entertaining in your life, and kahin na kahin this person's true identity will reveal itself. Just keep this video saved, और just keep this as a bookmark करो, क्योंकि मेरे को बताना कि ये होता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि मैं दावा करती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट टाइमलाइन देखती हूँ, नेक्स्ट 3 या 4 मंथ्स में कुछ ऐसा भयंकर होने वाला है जहाँ पे यू विल रियलाइज दैट दिस पर्सन ना, इसकी असलियत मुझे पता थी 6 months, या 6 months from now in this year something, or timeless. So 6 months from now timeless energy है, तो कभी भी हो सकता है 6 months from now something is going to happen that will make you realize that I was wrong in thinking that you were a good person. I was wrong in thinking that there was something that was for me. यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा external energies है, इतनी ज़्यादा like, so there's so much of, as I said, disappointing, impure, dissatisfactory energy. It's actually draining you so badly that you're like, you know what, I'm happy being away from this relationship, right? So yeah, this is what it is, guys. A very deep understanding of what this person's zone is, what they're feeling for you, what kind of zone they are currently in, what do they feel about you, what they think about this relationship, and where it is heading. So if this helped you, please let me know. Do let me know what you want to watch next, and definitely like, save, share, comment. And if you want to book a personal session with me, you can do so. All the information is in the description below. Subscribe and hype as many times as you can. You guys don't subscribe. Very, very bad. So please do subscribe. Please support me, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. All right. So if you've chosen pile number 2, which is appetite, this is going to be your tarot reading. This is what you have chosen. And we're going to see what are your person's current energies, what do they think about you internally, emotionally, inner self-perceptions, and what are the next steps that you can expect in this relationship. What can happen, you will get to know. And this is, again, no contact bhi ho sakta hai, person in your mind bhi ho sakta hai, minimal relationship or crush, whatever can fit, right? This will make sense, okay? I think that automatically the first thing that I'm getting is appetite. So either your appetite is decreased very, 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 very severely, or your appetite has become more. So there's some kind of an energy where your food intake has gone under a radical shift. Either आपने weight put on करा है या weight घट गया है बहुत बुरी तरह से. So that is what is the number one sign that this is going to be your tarot reading. Somewhere you are very afraid of being judged, being perceived. That's why you're not able to get out of your comfort zone. आपको पता है कि this is your hunger, right? Appetite, like your risk appetite is very, very high, but kahin na kahin you are not able to take that step forward. You know that there is certain potential, you know that there is some kind of a something that is waiting for you, but aapko samajh mein nahi aa raha hai ki what next step to take. So there are places, whether it is in your career, whether it is in your personal life, that there is something that you are wanting, but you don't know what it is, you don't know how to get there. Even if it is something that is there, is it in your destiny? You are having a lot of confusion about it, right? So there is a place where comfort zone hai, but kahin na kahin you are wanting to come out of the comfort zone, but you don't know how to, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to catapult towards it, okay? People who are wearing blue, dark blue, black, white, green, yellow, this is going to be your tarot reading. And if you're having a cracked phone screen, अगर आपकी phone screen cracked है, या आपके आसपास कोई भी cracked है, कुछ भी cracked mirror है, cracked feet है, chapped lips हो सकते हैं, this is going to be your tarot reading. If you have cracked mirrors, na, remove it. If you have anything mirror, या recently आपने कांच तोड़ा है, this is going to be your tarot reading. If you've broken a glass recently, this is going to be your tarot reading. Again, these are just external additional information. If you've chosen pile number 2, this one also, that is more than enough, okay? So let's see your person's current energy state and what you need to know and whatever, okay? Whatever is coming to me, okay? So yeah, one thing that you can do for me right now is to just chant or repeat your person's name in your mind. So the person in your mind right now, just chant their name or say their name so that I can connect better with your energies. I think the person that you are thinking about right now is in a flowing state, अच्छे zone में है. This person is not really in a bad mindset. Personally, अगर मैं देखूँ without in the lieu of this relationship, this person is finally starting to find some courage in their life and is seeing good results, is seeing success, is seeing a sense of fluidity. And this person has been waiting for this kind of a success for a very long time. शायद कुछ चीजें काफी time से stuck थी इन person के life में, and things are getting into a good space, shape. अच्छे mood में लग रहे हैं आपके person. And there has been a place where they are getting the kind of deserved success. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि बहुत ही मतलब अमीर हो गए हैं and becoming a billionaire and all that. The flow that they are expecting, that is coming in. Kahin na kahin stuck energy thi, and I told you that there was something that was stopping them, and now there's a change in motion, there's a change in their perception, there is a change in their luck, there's a change in where they're finding a lot of strength within their own caliber. They're realizing that in order for them to achieve something, they have to be very, very mindful, they have to be very strong mentally, emotionally, physically, like so important spiritually. they have to be strong, and they are trying to do that. They're trying to be religious. They're trying to involve themselves in all dharmic things, or just in general they are trying to believe in themselves more. Maybe you are also maybe a big benefactor in this success of theirs. Maybe you have always supported them, or you have always told them that I'll be there for you, whatever jo bhi ho sakta hai, and they are getting that kind of a successful energy in their life. So I think they are kind of in a good state of mind. They are in a happy zone, and they are in that perception of, okay, good things are happening to me now, right? So that is something that they were waiting for a very long time, and that is what is happening. Okay, now let's see what else is happening in the current state of mind. What is happening? Current state of mind, what do you think about you? Kuch bhi aa sakta hai. I'm not giving any kind of a, no, I'm not going to take out 3 cards. Wait, give me 1 card. Okay, nice. They're trying to be silly with you. I think आपकी जो relationship dynamic है अभी, it's a little like आँख में चोली kind of a thing, not too serious. आप बहुत ही you're having fun. I think after a very long time, or just recently, you have started to feel like your inner child is healing with this person. कहीं ना कहीं this person is being, it's not that serious. Like, you're not taking this relationship, oh my god, this is a relationship. It's not a very karmic relationship. आप मजे में हो. You're not taking this relationship too much. It's like a feeling of keeping things light and breezy. That is what is happening abhi in the current state, in their current life also. They are being silly, they are being sweet, they are being they're not taking things to their heart, they are not being offended for small things. क्योंकि ये खुद इतने अच्छे जोन में ना, माइंडसेट इनका अच्छा है, ये अच्छे मूड में, तो अच्छी चीजें अच्छी लगेंगी ना. तो that is what they're thinking. Actually, I want to get more information. Ooh, okay. I think this person is trying to spend more time with you, or is thinking about spending more time with you. Kahin na kahin, the current energies na, I feel like this person is has had a lot of things piling up in their life where they couldn't focus very well in their relationship life. They couldn't focus to give you time. They couldn't focus in the energy of wanting to give you a separate time energy. Prioritization nahi tha inka in the relationship. And I think now that they are getting that kind of success, or they will get that success very, very soon, in another 1 month or 2 months, there will be a sense of reshift in their prioritizations, where they'll kind of take this relationship slightly more seriously. But since that silliness energy is coming in, it's not going to be like, okay, let's discuss it and talk about the relationship and where we are heading. It's going to have that kind of a light and breezy energy, but ensuring that the relationship's foundations are sustaining, right? Say, suppose, just as an example, if you're having a crush and ये relationship है नहीं, बहुत ही मतलब crush stage पे है, तो I think आपके partner एक अच्छे zone में आ रहे हैं जहाँ पे they will be ready, or they will be susceptible, or they'll be open to be dating people, right? Or they'll be open to the idea of being liking somebody. Maybe it could be you, maybe it could be somebody else. Point is that they're open. पहले open भी नहीं थे, पहले बिल्कुल ही मतलब छोड़ दिया था, right? And more importantly, this person is not taking love life very, very seriously. ये थोड़ा चिल है, रिलैक्स है, ज्यादा लोड नहीं ले रहे सर पे, और ना ही एक्सपेक्ट करें कि कोई और लोड ले इस रिलेशनशिप में. ओके, से सपोज यूर इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट रिलेशनशिप. दिस पर्सन हैज हैड इश्यूज विद रिगार्ड्स टू like there is a reason why they were in no contact. Maybe this person was not having the right kind of energetic state, or maybe this person was not getting the kind of answers in their life, and now is finally getting the answers. So now this person will try to kind of be a friend to you first, will try to kind of joke around with you, will try to be silly with you, and try to break that no contact in a way where they'll be like, okay, let's just be friends, like let's just find a getaway, and let's just try to maintain a good relationship. I don't want to have any bad blood with you. So they will try to even make things normal with you, right? I feel like if this person has had has taken very, very bad decisions in this relationship, in this dynamic, and has said very bad things, this person can apologize to you as well, and will be like, you know what, let's let bygones be bygones. Let me just let me just restart this relationship. Let me just give another chance into this relationship. I also feel like there's heavy energy of attraction here. This person is heavily attracted towards you. This could be a male, female, whatever. But there is a conventional lustful energy that I can see. This person actually likes the way you are, likes your personality, likes your body, likes your face, likes the way you dress, like the way you smell. So there's actually an energy where this person feels that kind of connection, feels that kind of drawing energy. So that's why I'll ask you to be slightly more careful, because maybe this person is not thinking from their mind. Maybe they're thinking from their secret chakra, right, for the lack of a better word. So maybe this person is feeling like that kind of loneliness, where they are like kind of being sweet and like trying to make you laugh and be like happy around you, but maybe that commitment is kind of a little bit of a long term kind of a prospect. Abhi unko they just want to be able to get closer to you in an intimate manner, right? I feel like this person tries their level best to find alone time with you. If there is a connection with you like that, they try to find ways and means to be able to be alone with you, or to try to talk with you in an alone time. Well, they're trying to do that. Say suppose you're in a no contact, this person will try to break that no contact, will try to find some alone time. Maybe you're always with people around you, or that's why I'm getting an energy where this person will message you online only. This person will not meet you in person. This person will message you online and be like, are you free for a conversation? Are you free? Are you having work? Are you studying? Are you doing this, that? ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Okay. What else is happening? Let's see what else is happening in the current energy state, and what are their emotions towards you. Current energy state. Okay. Yeah, I think they definitely were trying their level best to take a step back from this relationship, but they are very drawn to you. मतलब ऐसी drawing energy आ रही है ना मुझे कि उनको लग रहा है कि यार मैं शायद relationship छोड़ सकता था या छोड़ सकती थी, but no, I am not able to. Maybe they have tried to draw boundaries in this relationship. Maybe you have tried to draw boundaries in this relationship only for them to get violated, only for them to get broken down. There is an energy where this person feels that only you can understand them, nobody else can understand them, and they have maybe told you कि यार तुम ही हो जो मेरे को समझ सकती हो, या तुम ही हो जो मुझे समझ सकते हो, बाकी और को तो है नहीं, जो मुझे एक सेंस ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं मिलती किसी के साथ. आपने ये काफी सुना होगा दूसरे बंदे के सामने, लाइक यू माइट हैव हर्ड दिस अ लॉट फ्रॉम अदर पर्सन, दैट आई कैन बी माई सेल्फ विथ यू. ये वाले डायलॉग बड़े मारते हैं ये कि आई कैन बी माई सेल्फ विथ यू. यू आर एक्चुअली हैविंग स्लाइट बिट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विद दिस पर्सन लाइफस्टाइल इशूज. इस पर्सन की लाइफस्टाइल इशूज बहुत आपको अच्छे लगते हैं. मे बी दिस पर्सन इज अ स्मोकर, मे बी दिस पर्सन इज अ ड्रिंकर, एंड यू आर नॉट वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दिस. यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट दिस बिहेवियर, एंड you will have always an issue with this person's lifestyle choices. Okay, that is what I'm getting. And this person is not very keen in removing them also. Like this person like, yaar chhodna, let's talk about something else, right? That is what I'm getting. I also feel like in the current energy, say suppose you're in a no contact relationship, there is this kind of a weird energy where you are trying to draw boundaries with this person, but some or the other way you still get this person's energies in your life. Either you dream about this person, or you feel like a some sign दिख जाता है आपको, कोई synchronicity दिख जाती है, या randomly you're getting a smell of the perfume that this person wears and this person is not around you. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक ऐसा energy लगता है from an internal psyche, internal standpoint, that this person कोई चैप्टर है, मतलब देयर समथिंग लेफ्ट. आपको लगता है कि ये कहानी यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुई है, ये कहानी यहाँ पे एंड नहीं हुई है. सो इवन इफ नो कॉन्टैक्ट और क्रश एनर्जी भी अगर है, तो यू डेफिनेटली फील लाइक देयर इज समथिंग मोर दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस रिलेशनशिप दैट आई नीड टू नो, राइट? आई नीड टू फिगर आउट इन माई लाइफ. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. लेट्स गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. Let's see more information. Let's see what else does this person think about you internally, emotionally, jo bhi XYZ. I feel like in your relationship there's always been like some or the other issue. Like either this person has had issues and you were kind of free, or you had a lot of things going on in your life and this person has been free. For example, maybe this person has had issues with being stuck and not being able to figure themselves out. अब फाइनली उन्होंने फिगर आउट कर लिया, आपके एग्जाम्स आ गए, राइट? आपका कुछ काम आ गया, आपका कुछ एक ट्रैवल प्लान आ गया, तो कहीं कहीं पे भी ना आप दोनों का वो एक टाइमिंग ठीक से नहीं बैठा है, वेयर बोथ ऑफ यू आर एक्चुअली लाइक ओके, लेट्स सिट एंड टॉक एंड लेट्स गेट दैट टाइमिंग करेक्ट. some or the other way your schedules have never been able to be matched. Okay, even if you think that you had time to be able to devote yourself in this relationship, mentally you are gone somewhere else only, right? That is what I can see. Okay, what are this person actually is not really going to show that this person is emotionally attracted to you or is liking you or is wanting to get into a relationship with you. This person will not. I think this person's perception is going to be slightly cold with you. देखो क्या है ना, actually let me confirm this. This person is silly with you. This person will try to take up space, be alone with you, will try to kind of be lustful with you as well, will try to kind of flirt and all that with you, but in a very in a very weird way, in a way where it will not feel very emotional, right? It will feel like okay, तुम कोई एहसान कर रहे हो क्या मेरे ऊपर, like it will be like this. Okay, you're so lucky that you're around me. Okay, you're so lucky that I'm getting to talk to you. मतलब it's like a little cocky. Like this person can be a little cocky with you. क्या है ना, एक्चुअली आई टेल यू व्हाट द रियलिटी इज दैट दिस पर्सन इज वांटिंग टू इम्प्रेस यू. ये पर्सन आपको इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये पर्सन ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि वो बड़े कूल हैं, ताकि आपका अजम्पशन हो कि वाओ यार दिस पर्सन इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग, दिस पर्सन इज सो लाइक एडमायर्ड. बट आपको लग रहा है क्या लूजर है ये, राइट? आपको ये लग रहा है. बट पॉइंट इज दैट दिस पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू गेट योर अटेंशन इन अ वेरी चीजी मैनर. वो आपको बुली भी कर रहे होंगे, तो सिलीनेस में ना वो आपको थोड़ा टांग खींचेंगे, आपको बुली करेंगे, आपके साथ ऐसे तू में करेंगे. बट यू नो that's a typical thing that the person is actually really fond of, having that kind of banter with you, having that kind of a connection with you. So it will not be a conventional like, oh I love you and you're talking gulu gulu things and you're my shona my babu. ऐसा सीन नहीं है, ऐसा सीन नहीं है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे फन बैंटर, थोड़ा ऐसा रिलेशनशिप है जहाँ पे आप उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, वो आपका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, एंड आप उनकी थोड़ी बेइज्जती कर रहे हो, वो उनका था एक सार्काज्म वो गेम चल रहा है कि कौन ज्यादा, लाइक देयर आर टू क्वींस हियर, राइट? सो हु इज मोर smarter, like who is more quick, who is more fun, who is more witty. ऐसी वाली एनर्जी आ रही है जहाँ पे दोनों के ईगोज है. मतलब आपका भी ईगो है, the other person is also having the ego, you are also having ego, and that ego battle is having. But in that ego battle there's like chemistry, there's lustful energy, there's like attraction, blah blah blah, जहाँ पे it's like like there is so much chaos happening, but there are two people who are like in that push pull energy, like coming closer. But things are not going in the way that you would want to in a conventional manner, right? It's just like kuch aisa chemistry hai, right? That is what I'm getting. What else is happening? I also feel like this person has a huge connection with their mother, or their mother is a huge influence in their lives. Now influence एक good influence भी हो सकता है, bad influence भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा bad influence लग रहा है कि this person's mother has had a lot to say about this person's life, about this person's behavior, and I think वो कहीं ना कहीं इनके दिमाग में बैठ चुका है. That's why this person acts the way they act. Okay. Anything else? This person who has really big aspirations, मतलब career में इनके aspirations बहुत strong है. And somewhere what I'll say is that this person, when they have to be jealous, when they have to be protective, they will be protective. वो दिखाएंगे नहीं वो side अपनी, वो दिखाएंगे नहीं कि हाँ यार मतलब मुझे फर्क पड़ता है, या I am very like I am like not controlling, but I'm very territorial is the word, कि I'm very territorial about the person that I like, the person I want to be with. वो ऐसे दिखाएंगे नहीं, लेकिन है वो like I'm getting an energy where if say suppose by chance you're talking to somebody else, they will not like it. They will say कि भाई तुम उससे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, आप उससे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं. मतलब ये ऐसा एनर्जी है कि there is a like this is a layer जहाँ पे यहाँ पे dating है, और there one step below it. तो सारे जो expectations of a relationship वो आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तुम मुझसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? तो for example, if you're in a no contact people, if you're in no contact and you have decided to talk to other people, other person will come to know. The no contact person that you have in your mind will come to know, and they'll break the no contact and be like, why are you talking to this person? Are you completely over me now? That is the kind of energy, like say suppose if you're having a crush, okay, and you by chance talk to another guy friend or girlfriend, but say suppose, you know what I'm trying to say, right? If you're trying to talk to another friend of the same gender that you are liking, the other person will be like, oh, who is this person talking to? Why are they talking to them? Why are you like this, right? ऐसा भी हो सकता है, okay? So there is a sense of territorial energy where this person does definitely have traditional perspectives about this relationship, but relationship के energies मुझे दिख नहीं रहे, मतलब love वाले energies दिख नहीं रहे, but वैसा प्रतीत हो रहा है, like I'm getting the feeling of a relationship, but I'm not getting relationship cards. So I'm getting like small aspects कि हाँ ये relationship ही है, ये थोड़ा emotional थोड़ा ऐसा है, but relationship cards मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं. So maybe this is the current state of mind and this is the current energetic stage. Maybe this can head towards there. I don't know. I will let you know. Okay. So what else is happening? Oh, embrace the unknown. अभी मैंने बोला I don't know. I will have to take out the cards and embrace the unknown. I think this is the advice for you कि जहाँ पे हो ना खुश रहो. Like I feel like you are thinking about, यार I want to date this person, I want to get to know this person. I don't think that you should, right? Live in the present, live in the moment. I think the energy of just being able to have fun in this current zone कि मतलब जहाँ पे भी ना मजे करो. I also am getting this energy as an advice for people who are already in a relationship कि if you're now engaged or if you're bound to marry, okay, अभी आपका engagement हो गया, शादी होने वाली है, please enjoy this phase of like fiance वाला जो phase होता है ना कि engagement है and you're just kind of getting to go in that zone. मतलब अभी तक गए नहीं हो मैरिज प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स में, लेकिन अभी आप उसमें उस जोन में हो. प्लीज एंजॉय दैट, एम्ब्रेस दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग बिकॉज इट इज सो फ्लीटिंग. मतलब 2 मिनट में चली जाएगी. तो पॉइंट आपका ये है गाइज दैट एम्ब्रेस द अननोन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यूर इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट एनर्जी, embrace it. It's okay, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा जहाँ पे things will turn out for your turn, the cycle will turn. So embrace this not fun energy, but embrace this unknown energy कि I don't know what is happening, I don't know what's the next. I think you not knowing about the future is going to be very, very helpful for you, because you will have a response which will be very authentic. Because if I tell you, okay, something is going to happen in the future, this person will come back or this person will not come back, you will prepare yourself in that manner, and you will think about it in that manner, right? So although I will take out cards ki kya ho sakta hai, but I will still say that don't prepare yourself for what is coming, okay? Say suppose if you're having a crush also, I feel like again in that crush energy you're feeling like, okay, is this heading somewhere, is this making sense? But that entire process of like, meeting the other person and having that kind of a butterfly feeling, and that kind of a butterfly feeling, that's so sweet, and it's so soft energy. You should enjoy that, you should embrace that, you should let yourself feel that. That is what I would say for you, okay? What else? Yeah, I definitely feel like right now this is not something that you should like jump into. I think your partner also is realizing कि इसको जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है, इसमें कोई जल्दबाजी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's better we take it slow. Like the slow energy is very, very strong, है, very prominent. Slow करनी है चीजों को, ज़्यादा fast नहीं करना है. And because you are in a good zone, I do believe that you are in a good zone, or you'll get into a good zone. Again, good zone doesn't have to be that you are always in a like a lovey-dovey mood, right? The fact that there is some kind of a banter is also a good zone. It's not like you're having very, very negative energies towards you. Say suppose अगर आपका no contact energy भी है, it's not that this person is moo-marrowing anybody else. I'll tell you that. This person is not keen in dating anybody else. This person is waiting for the right time to approach you perhaps. Okay? Or this person is working on themselves. This person is working on themselves. They are not very, that kind of an energy ki, okay, now I want to be with somebody. So even if this is no contact, this person is not genuinely caring enough to look at other women or other men and be like, okay, I want to be with this person. No, if they want to break contact, if they want to get into a relationship, they will get into a relationship with you only. That's the point. Rahi baat crush energies ki bhi, I feel like this person, again, like this person that you have a crush on is not wanting to fasten anything here. Maybe because they are wanting to take a break from relationships in general, or they are not keen in the relationship idea. They just want to enjoy what they are having with you right now, and they don't want to kind of put any kind of strings in it. Again, it's not something that you need to, मतलब अगर आपको चाहिए कि कहीं भाई मुझे रिलेशनशिप चाहिए तो मे भी दिक्कत का है ये सीन. बट इफ यूर अ पर्सन who's like, you know what, let me just go with the flow, let me just see what comes next, then it's not that bad of a situation, honestly, for you. It's not that bad of a scene, honestly, for you. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so what's next from this person's energy? What can you expect next from this person? We're going to check reconciliation. चलो भाई, हो रही है relationship आप लोगों की. I think that any person who is waiting for a reconciliation, any kind of a no contact breaking, wanting to come back together, together, you are able to come back. I feel like, okay, here's the guidance. If you are wanting to get back with this person, you need to get out of the situation. मतलब you need to understand that this energy, ये energy ना आपको अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी इन योर लाइफ. टू बी एबल टू गेट इन टू अ रिकन्सिलिएशन पोजिशन, यू हैव टू कंप्लीटली डिटैच योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द आइडिया दैट आई वांट अ रिकन्सिलिएशन. आप दिमाग में सोचो ही मत कि आपको रिकन्सिलिएशन चाहिए, आप उसकी तरफ भागो ही मत, आप छोड़ दो. लेट द सिचुएशन बी, लेट द रिलेशनशिप बी, लेट द डायनामिक बी, लेट इट बी हाउ एवर इट इज, एंड लेट थिंग्स अनफोल्ड ऑर्गेनिकली. द मोमेंट यू डिसाइड दैट ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू इंटरवीन इन दिस सिचुएशन, आई एम गोइंग टू मेक थिंग्स गो इन अकॉर्डेंस टू मी, आई एम गोइंग टू एंश्योर दैट इट हैपेंस इन अकॉर्डेंस टू व्हाट आई वांट, इट इज गोना फॉल्टर. तो आप जितना इसके ऊपर वाले के ऊपर छोड़ दोगे उतना आपके लिए बेटर होगा. जितना आप ट्राई टू कंट्रोल द आउटकम, कंट्रोलिंग हिज परसेप्शन और हर परसेप्शंस, द मोमेंट यू ट्राई टू कंट्रोल दिस पर्सन्स एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम यू, you will not get this reconciliation energy. So I'm saying reconciliation, but it's coming with its own prerequisites. Okay, what else can you expect? Yeah, a change is coming in. Things will not always be this way. So again, change for the good. Actually, let me take out a card. Change for the good ही दिख रहा है. अभी reconciliation आ रहा है तो good ही होगा. But let me just see. Ace of Swords, okay. Good. Ace of Swords not really a good card for relationships. Let me get a confirmation of this. So no contact break हो रहा है, that's for sure. Judgment, reconciliation हो रहा है भाई. But is it a good reconciliation? Tell me. Not necessarily right now. I think reconciliation is happening, but it will come with its own terms and conditions. Even if there's a change happening now, देखो change हो रहा है. There is some movement happening in this relationship, but you are not getting a relationship from it. That I'm going to tell you. I feel like कुछ ना कुछ नया होने वाला है in this dynamic. I am getting an energy where there will be much more of a learning about each other. You will learn more about each other. You will have much more realizations about each other. You will have much more of a connection ki, okay, this is who you are. This is where you come from. This is the dynamic that you have. This is your perception. This is your opinion about life. This is where your life is heading. Like you're getting to know each other better. There is a new perception. There's a new identity that you're bringing about in each other. Even if there's a reconciliation, ना अगर से suppose no contact में हो, वो पुराने person को आप date नहीं करो. You are having a new relationship, new dynamic, new zone, new perspective, new shift, new transformation, new energy आ रही है आपके life में. But I will still say that this is not a conventional relationship. आपको conventionality अभी नहीं मिल रही है. That's why I'm going to still say that something good is happening. That I can tell you for sure. But it's not a relationship, right? So that idea of embracing the unknown stands true even here because I'm still not getting an answer कि okay, are you getting a good relationship out of this? मैं अभी भी आपको 100% confirmation दे नहीं सकती हूँ. Maybe because the universe is not wanting me to tell you that. ऐसा भी होता है कभी-कभी कि the universe is saying कि इससे ज़्यादा clarity मैं दूंगी नहीं, जो है वो है. So there's still that kind of an energy where the universe is saying कि ठीक है, if push comes to shove, yes, good energies are coming in, reconciliation is coming in, good energy, like you are reconciling, right? Whether that reconciliation is good or bad or ugly or very, very, very important, that totally depends upon the unknown energies. वो तब होगा जब होगा. अब whether it is something that is able to sustain in your life, that is going to happen when it has to happen, okay? Point is that there is some movement which is in a good direction, something that you will be satisfied about. ये relationship खराब तो नहीं हो रहा है, ये इसकी मैं गारंटी दे रही हूँ. ये relationship गंदे zone में नहीं जा रहा है, issues नहीं आ रहे हैं. Now can I know the timeline of this? When can I expect this kind of a thing happening? वो zone कब आएगा? Okay. Oh, okay. Just give me a second. 4 months from now. This is a timeless reading. 13 odd weeks. So yeah, 4 months from now is what I'm getting. Okay. So what else? Let's see more actually. What is happening? What is the next step? हाँ, इधर से देखते हैं. Let's get more information about this relationship. Let's see what else is going on. Let's see what you can expect. देखो यूनिवर्स मेरे को ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देना नहीं चाहते हैं about the new future or whatever is coming. But still I'll try to see what else can I churn out of in this dynamic. Okay, in this dynamic, what else can I churn out? Ooh, okay. I think काफी celebration की energy दिख रही है मुझे. I think both of you are going to nurture each other. एक sense of unconditional love without having any kind of expectations वाली energy आ रही है मुझे कि यार you both are going to enjoy and have that kind of a nurturing feeling, that kind of a celebration energy where both of you are finding pleasure in just being able to be in each other's company. एक दूसरे की कंपनी में आप एक हार्मनी इंस्टिल कर रहे हो, एक दूसरे की कंपनी में आप एक जॉयस एनर्जी देख रहे हो. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार ठीक है, रिलेशनशिप नहीं अभी नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है आ जाएगा, मे बी इट्स नॉट मेंट फॉर मी, इट इज मेंट फॉर मी, व्हाटएवर इट इज. आई लाइक दिस पर्सन एनर्जी. वो जैसे भी, चाहे वो मेरे फ्रेंड हो, चाहे वो मेरे रिलेशनशिप में हो, चाहे वो मेरे से बड़े हो, मेरे से छोटे हो. आई जेन्युइनली लाइक दिस पर्सन involvement in my life. This is a person who actually is able to bring some goodness in my life. मुझे अच्छा लगता था इस person के साथ, मुझे अच्छा feel होता था. ठीक है, maybe this person was not in that zone, maybe this person is not having the kind of expectations in this relationship. जो भी XYZ, जो भी problems हो सकती है इस person की होंगी, लेकिन ये person दिल से बुरा नहीं है. This person is not purposely trying to create issues for me, and this person is actually genuinely looking out for me. This person actually cares about me, and that kind of a feeling of caring energy is coming very, very strongly in this relationship. आपको not only that you feel like the other person is taking care of you, you feel the need to care about the other person. आपके अंदर motherly instincts आ जाती है. अगर आप एक female हो, आपके अंदर motherly instincts आ जाती हैं. If you're a male, then you feel like this person is like your mother, who's kind of taking care of you, who's telling you आपने खाना खाया, कहाँ चोट लग गई, you should do this, you should do that. आपके अंदर वो automatically quality आ जाती है, although है नहीं वैसी quality, but आपके अंदर आ जाती हैं. Okay? What else? What else? Wait. You will feel like some things are happening so weirdly. Timing feels uncanny. मतलब आपको लगेगा कि यार मैं इस पर्सन के बारे में सोची थी और इस पर्सन का चेहरा दिख गया मुझे. मैं इस पर्सन के बारे में उस जोन में थी कि हाँ ओके, what I have to do next, and randomly you see some word that you have you both have a commonality in. मतलब randomly signs and synchronicities दिखेंगी, dreams दिखेंगे इस पर्सन के. ऐसा लगेगा कि यार कुछ रह गया है इस रिलेशनशिप में, कुछ रहता है इस रिलेशनशिप में. There's something that is missing, or there's some kind of a signal that I need to see. that I need to see, right? So that is what I can see for you. So timing बड़ी अजीब लगेगी यार, ये कैसे हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आएगा आपको, आ रहा है शायद. Honest connection grows, okay, or forms. So good, this is a nice energy. Either grow करेगा या form होगा. Either आप already एक अच्छे zone में हो और वो एक अच्छा honest connection build हो रहा है. Romantic connection build नहीं हो रहा है. Romantic connection build हो सकता है, मैं उसकी गारंटी नहीं दे रही हूँ, लेकिन honest connection definitely build हो रहा है. आप दोनों में एक sense of ऑनेस्टी है, एक इंटीग्रिटी है. वो रोमांटिक भी हो सकती है, वो नॉन रोमांटिक भी हो सकती है, लेकिन जेन्युइन है, इसका मैं आपको दावा दे रही हूँ. तो देयर इज एन ऑनेस्ट कम्युनिकेशन, कॉन्वर्जेशन और कनेक्शन दैट इज ग्रोइंग. So either you're already having it in your life and it is growing, or if you hadn't had in your life and you hadn't experienced this with a no contact or crush or whatever, now it is forming. Okay, this is what it is. So honest connection build हो रहा है. Romantic connection मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, but honest connection definitely build हो रहा है. I think that this person will also save you from some office politics. आपका stand लेंगे ये office politics या career politics, right? Either this person will be taking a stand for you in an office environment कि no, this person has not done anything wrong, और college में कहीं ना कहीं आपके साथ कोई अगर बुरा व्यवहार करे तो आपके लिए stand लेंगे. Okay, stand लेने का energy आ रहा है. Okay, what else? 3 months. So 3 to 4 months is what I'm getting for you. This energy will come to you in the next 3 to 4 months. Timeless hai. Don't think too much about it. See, you will feel drained. Dekho, what is happening is this relationship, this dynamic is actually taking a lot from you. So you will feel drained. Aisa nahi hai ki you will be in complete energetic state. You will feel also drained. You will also feel tired. But again, like this is something that you've been waiting for. You've been going through it. So be okay with being drained, right? So initial first month, you can feel very drained in this relationship. Now, 1 month from now, you will feel very drained. It is timeless cheating, so don't think about it in that manner. Anytime from 1 month from now, you will feel like you are feeling drained. You're almost there. This relationship is almost there. Almost वही है जहाँ पे आपको चाहिए. But give it some time. Give it some little bit more marination. Let it sit in that energy for a little bit more amount of time, and I think you will be able to find that kind of a respite. You will be able to get the answer that you're wanting, right? So anything else that I need to talk about that I haven't talked about yet? Anything else that I need to talk about in this relationship that I haven't talked about yet? Come on. Sorry, 1 second. I think let this person's real side come in. I think this person is too much in their fantasies. ये काफी चीजें अपने fantasy से बोलते हैं. I think this is very important. I think before you even think about whether you want to be in this relationship, whether you want to be in this dynamic, ask yourself whether you're ready for it, whether you love yourself enough to be able to come into this relationship. कहीं ना कहीं don't come into this relationship because you feel upset for yourself or pity for yourself कि यार I want to be with this person but this person is not giving me commitment. I think ये एक constant feeling of pittiness निकालो अपने लाइफ से. I think you should enjoy where you are and there's no need for you to feel sad in this relationship, in this dynamic. कुछ है नहीं इतना sad होने के लिए. Okay, इतना कुछ बुरा चल नहीं रहा है आपके लाइफ में, इतना कुछ बुरा है नहीं. आप थोड़ा unnecessarily you are taking a load of this relationship. You don't need to. Okay, don't think that you're a failure. I don't know why you're getting a feeling where you're failing in this relationship. आपको थोड़ा uneasy feel हो रहा है. I don't think that you should feel that uneasiness at all. I think you think that okay, this relationship is not going to work out. It's not going in the conventional way that you are expecting it to go. So you might be having your reservations. You might be feeling a little jealous also कि यार this person having so much things to do in their other lives. This person is always in the work or always with the friends or always this thing. This person is not giving me time. लेकिन अभी थोड़ा shifting दिख रही है मुझे. And I think that this relationship is going to go in the way that you are wanting it to go. Again, I'm not giving any promises that this is a relationship only and you're getting into a commitment and this person will become your boyfriend or a girlfriend, but honest communication is definitely growing, right? So yeah guys, this is what it is from my side to you. I hope I was able to help you, and definitely do let me know if this resonated, if this made sense. I don't know if this will make sense, but I hope it does. I really, really pray that it does. And yes, if you want to kind of book a session with me more about your current situation, relationship, whatever it is, all the information is in the description below. I have really interesting spreads for you. So you can always choose from them and you can decide whatever you want to go for. And yeah, definitely like, save, share, support me. So many of you do not support me, do not subscribe, and you just watch this and you don't do that energy exchange. So please do that. Hype this video. To claim this energy, you should do that energy exchange, right? So yeah, is there anything else left? No, thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.